Welcome to English Beginner Zone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a simple conversation about making a cream cake. In this video, you will follow a simple baking story with Tony and Diana. They will make a cream cake step by step. They will prepare the tools, prepare the ingredients, mix the batter, bake the cake, make the cream, decorate the cake, and taste the cake. Please listen carefully. I will speak slowly and clearly. Before we begin, here is today's question. What does Tony learn from Diana during this baking lesson? Listen carefully and find the answer. All right, let's begin.
Diana, your cakes always look beautiful. Every cake looks beautiful.
Thank you, Tony. Today we will make a cream cake together.
A cream cake? Really?
Yes, a simple cream cake.
Please show me every step. I want to see every step.
Of course. First, put on your apron.
Right, I am putting on my apron now.
Good. Put on your apron before we start.
The apron feels funny,
When we bake, flour and cream can get on your clothes.
so the apron keeps my clothes clean.
Yes. Clean clothes make baking easier.
Okay, my apron is on now.
Good. Now let's begin. First, we choose the cake size.
The cake size?
Yes. Today we make a small cake, a small cream cake,
Why do we choose the size first?
because the size tells us how much batter we need. The size tells us how much cream we need.
Oh, I see. The size tells us everything.
Yes, the size helps us prepare. Now look at the table. We check the tools first.
We check the tools first?
Yes. Look carefully. Here is the cake pan. Here is the bowl. Here is the whisk. Here is the spatula. Here is the knife. Here is the turntable.
That is a lot of tools.
Yes. Good tools make baking easier. Now we prepare the ingredients.
What ingredients do we need?
We need eggs, flour, sugar, milk, oil, baking powder, and vanilla.
And the cream?
Cold cream and sugar.
And fruit?
Strawberries,
Why strawberries?
because strawberries taste fresh. Strawberries taste fresh with cream. Now take the bowl.
I am taking the bowl now.
Good. Crack the eggs into the bowl.
1 egg, 2 eggs. I am cracking the eggs into the bowl.
Good. Now add the sugar.
I am adding the sugar now.
Good. Hold the whisk.
I am holding the whisk.
Now mix.
Mix fast?
No, mix slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, mix slowly. Keep mixing slowly.
I am mixing slowly now.
Good. Keep mixing. Keep mixing until it looks lighter.
It looks lighter now.
Yes, that is good. Now take the flour.
I am taking the flour.
Sift the flour into the bowl.
I am sifting the flour into the bowl now. Why do we sift the flour?
Sifting makes the flour lighter. Light flour helps make a soft cake.
Soft cake.
Yes, we want a soft cake. Now fold the batter.
Fold?
Yes, fold slowly.
Not mix?
No, do not mix hard. Fold slowly.
I am folding slowly now.
Good. Keep folding slowly.
The batter looks smooth now.
Yes, smooth batter is good batter. Now turn on the oven.
We turn on the oven now?
Yes, turn on the oven now.
Why now?
Because the oven must be hot. A hot oven helps the cake rise.
I understand. Hot oven first.
Now take the cake pan.
I am taking the cake pan now.
Brush a little oil inside.
I am brushing a little oil inside.
Good. Now put the paper in the bottom.
I am putting the paper in the bottom now.
Now pour the batter into the pan.
I am pouring the batter into the pan now.
Good. Tap the pan lightly.
Like this?
Yes, tap lightly.
Why do we tap the pan?
Tapping removes big air bubbles.
So we tap the pan to remove bubbles.
Exactly. Now open the oven.
I am opening the oven.
Put the cake into the oven slowly.
I am putting the cake into the oven now.
Good. Close the oven.
The cake is baking now.
Yes. Now the cake bakes.
Diana, the cake smells good.
That is a good sign.
How do we know the cake is ready?
Put a toothpick in the middle.
And then?
If the toothpick comes out clean, the cake is ready. The cake is ready now.
I am taking the cake out now.
Good. Put the cake on the table.
Can we decorate it now?
Not now.
Why not now?
The cake is warm. Warm cake melts cream.
Warm cake melts cream.
Yes, we need a cool cake.
Cool cake first.
While the cake cools, we make the cream.
Good. I want to make the cream.
First, take the cold cream from the refrigerator.
I am taking the cold cream now.
Good. The cream must be cold.
Why cold?
Cold cream whips better.
Cold cream whips better.
Yes, remember that. Pour the cream into the bowl.
I am pouring the cream now.
Add sugar.
I'm adding sugar now.
Now mix.
Slowly?
Yes. Mix slowly first.
I am mixing slowly.
Good. Now a little faster.
A little faster now.
Stop there.
Why stop?
If you mix too much, the cream gets grainy.
So stop early. Keep the cream soft.
Exactly. Keep the cream soft. Now take the strawberries.
I am taking the strawberries.
Wash the strawberries.
I am washing them now.
Dry the strawberries.
I am drying them now. Why do we dry them?
Wet strawberries make the cake wet.
Dry strawberries are better.
Yes. Dry strawberries are better. Now take the cool cake.
I am taking the cake now.
Cut the top a little.
I am cutting the top. Why cut the top?
A flat cake is easier to stack.
Flat cake is easier.
Now cut the cake into 2 layers.
I am cutting slowly.
Good. Cut slowly, cut carefully.
Slowly and carefully.
Yes, slowly and carefully. Put the first layer on the board.
I am putting the first layer down.
Brush syrup on the cake.
Why syrup?
Syrup keeps the cake soft.
Soft cake again.
Yes, we want a soft cake. Now spread cream on the first layer.
I am spreading cream now.
Spread slowly.
I am spreading slowly.
Good. Now put strawberries on the cream.
I am putting strawberries on the cream. It already looks like a real cake.
Yes, it already looks like a real cake. Now put the second layer on top.
I am putting the second layer on top now.
Good. Now spread a thin layer of cream around the cake.
A thin layer?
Yes, a thin layer first.
Why a thin layer first?
The thin layer catches crumbs.
Thin layer first, clean layer later.
Exactly. Put the cake in the refrigerator for a few minutes.
I am putting the cake in now.
Now take the cake out.
I am taking the cake out.
Now spread more cream.
On the top?
Yes, on the top.
On the sides too?
Yes, on the sides too.
I am spreading cream on the top. Now on the sides.
Turn the turntable slowly.
I'm turning it slowly.
Good. Keep turning slowly.
It looks smoother now.
Yes, it looks smoother now. Now decorate the cake.
With strawberries?
Yes. Put strawberries on top.
I'm putting strawberries on top now.
Good. Very good.
Anna, it looks beautiful.
Yes. Your cake looks beautiful.
Is the cake finished now?
Yes. The cake is finished.
I made this cake?
Yes. You made this cake.
I really made this cake?
Yes, Tony. You really made this cake. Now comes the best part.
The best part?
Yes. Cut a small slice.
I'm cutting a small slice now.
Good. Put it on the plate.
I am putting it on the plate.
Now taste it.
Mmm,
What do you think?
the cake is soft. The cream is soft too. The strawberries taste fresh. Soft cake, soft cream, fresh strawberries.
That sounds good.
It tastes really good.
So, Tony, what did you learn today?
I learned to mix slowly. I learned to fold slowly. I learned to cut carefully. I learned to keep the cream cold. I learned to keep the cake soft.
Every small step matters. You did very well today.
Let's check today's question again. What did Tony learn from Diana? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and listening skills more naturally. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow and clear pronunciation for daily life. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that is all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.